In Parashas Emor Perek Chaf Aleph, the Torah says the Kohanim are warned not to become impure, tumas mesim, except for a Kohen Hediot, his close relatives, L'She'eu HaKorov Elav, and the Torah gives examples, Le'imoy u'le'aviv. First the mother is mentioned, and then the father. However, in the same chapter, Pasuk Yud Aleph, where it discusses the Kohen Gadol, and the Torah says he cannot become impure even to his relatives, his close relatives. The Torah brings as an example, Al Kol Nafshos Mes Lo Yavor, he's not allowed to defile himself, even le'aviv u'le'imoy. Here the order has changed. Before Kohen Hediot, we're talking about the mother first and then the father. By Kohen Gadol, the Torah mentions first the father and then the mother. Why is that? Explains the Kehilos Yaakov. Based on a Gemara in Nazir Daf Mem Tes Amud Aleph. In the Gemara there we learn that it's a greater chiddush to say that a Kohen Gadol cannot become tameh to his mother because his mother is more vaday. It's more certain that it really is his mother. She was in the hospital. We all saw the baby coming out of her. It's clear that it is his mother, and yet he is not allowed to become tameh. Explains the Kehilos Yaakov. When the Torah discusses the Kohen Gadol, and first it mentions the father, the Torah is in essence saying that Kohen Gadol is not allowed to become impure to his father and even to his mother. It's going upwards, escalating. When it talks about the Kohen Hediot, the Torah first mentions the mother, and the Torah is in essence saying the Kohen Hediot is allowed to become impure to his mother and even to his father. The mother is clearly his mother. He's allowed to become tameh to her. And the chiddush is that even to his father, which is less certain, he's allowed to become tameh to. The Kohen Gadol is exactly the opposite. The Kohen Gadol is not allowed to become tameh to the father, we understand, because he's not so certain, says the Torah. Even the mother, which we know is much more vadai, he still cannot become tameh. If he dies, he cannot become tameh tumas mes to his parents.